After months and months of waiting, the Altis Sigma MX is finally here. I've been waiting on this bike for a while now, so I'm excited to finally get my hands on it. We're gonna open this box up, we're gonna put it together. I went with the MX version, so the MX version actually had a later shipping date than the standard 1919. The MX version, the only thing that's different is a rear sprocket, and the rear is a 16 rear with the MOTO tire, which is exactly how I like it. We got a wooden box. I gotta pry these things off, and then we're gonna open this up. I'm excited, this is gonna be good. This bike has a lot of hype behind it, and I haven't really seen anyone posting about these bikes at all that I've gotten them. Oh my gosh, last time I did this, bro, I could not get them off. Yeah, which is kind of weird because I feel like this bike has so much hype behind it. So I'm like, dang, I thought more people would be posting about it, but I guess not. So now that I got one, I'm definitely gonna be posting a lot of content on this thing. Oh my gosh, come on. Don't do it to me. Oh. If you guys have ever opened up one of these wood boxes with the metal tabs, you just know, it's gonna be rough. We got that front wheel, 2.5 millimeter thick rotor. I believe it's a 260, so you got that good stopping power. Here we go, we got our display, front number plate, some spacers for the front wheel to get put on. Kind of gonna be like a raw unboxing. I figured I'd just raw unbox it since there's no videos out there of anyone opening a brand new one. So yeah, I went with the all black color. I just think black always looks clean no matter what, especially if I'm gonna end up coating this stuff up. And if I have red seat, red plastics, I'm gonna have to go buy different color versus black, which will just match everything, so. Let's see what is in this box. This box is gonna come with your charger. Look at the size of that thing. That is a beefy charger. Here's that other box. The pegs, kickstand, the bar mounts. The best part about unboxing anything new, fresh. Battery is huge. Oh my gosh. Frick. What am I supposed to do? Goodness gracious, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, that is heavy. Definitely get help if you have the opportunity to. It's a lot harder than it looks to get on the stand solo. Got the caliper mount on, got everything put together. Got to put the pegs on and then the spring. Every time you get a new bike, they never grease the front axle. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and grease that thing. You don't wanna seize your front axle in your wheel. That would absolutely suck. I'm gonna say 150. I don't know. I can't find it in the manual book. I don't know what these forks are capable of holding. Even that feels way too soft. The Fox 40s, I used to always run to 160. I know these aren't 40s, but we're just gonna call it there. So the Altis Sigma MX is coming in at $5,500, 98 volt, 35 amp hour. A lot of you guys are gonna be like 35 amp hour, that's extremely low because they're 72 volts or 38 amp hours. But then again, it's different. So the way, I don't know how battery stuff works. All I know is that a 96 volt at 35 amp hours is still a super long time. So you're not gonna have short battery life if that's what you're concerned about. The bike is heavy, okay? This is a heavier bike. You saw me trying to put it on the stand over there. It's so quiet. Direct chain drive, it's way quieter, so that's normal. Eco, and then obviously sport. Oh yeah. This thing looks so good in its stock form. I've ridden a prototype, I haven't ridden an actual production one, so let's hope that it rides as good as it looks. We got a 22 kilowatt peak hairpin motor on this thing, which is actually, I think it's the first of its kind in this class, a hairpin motor. So I don't know too much about it. We have DOT brakes. So these brakes are actually pretty good. A lot better than the standard stock stuff that you guys are normally gonna get. So this stuff should have plenty of stopping power. You see the size of these rotors. We're running like 260 rotors, 2.5 millimeters thick. So we have a 44 tooth sprocket, which is 4 teeth lower than our standard, which is usually 48. This bike, from the production that I rode, is actually so snappy and torquey. Going higher than a 44 might not be the best option for this bike. I guess it really just depends on your riding preference and style. So that's pretty much gonna be it for the main basic points. So check this out. So I'm trying to enable race mode. By using the race mode on your Altis e-Power Sports, it's like a reliability thing. Turn that on, boom. So race mode's on. We turned the brake sensors off and we changed the wheel size to a 16-inch. And I think that's, I believe it. Alrighty guys, it's gonna be the first ride right here. We have 0.6 miles on the odometer. Not even a full mile yet on this bike. That's an R33. That's rare. You never see those. Dude, the regen on this thing is super strong. But this thing is like crazy. So I'm at 74%. I wasn't able to charge it to 100. The sun goes down so early, which sucks. Got Matt on his Sauron, me on the Altis. All right, I'm in race mode, so this should be full power.
All right, full power.
Okay.
I'm like low-key scared. This thing's more powerful than it was.
What are you pushing? 15?
24 kilowatts. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
No way! That's crazy! Dude, a fresh tire? Hey, that's insane! It's pretty similar. I think I was just spinning off the start though.
All right.
We'll run it back. They're like, yeah, it's like 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! 73 on that? Hey, that's a little faster. As always, wheelie test. Feels good. Feels good. It's just so interesting riding a completely different geometry than like a Sauron or a 79 bike or an E-Ride Pro, because they're all very similar in geometry. This one's a little bit different, but I think this bike, if it had supermotos on it, that's probably what this bike's low-key gonna excel. In the street with supermoto, not only does it look super sick, it's really fast. But yeah, today's just gonna be kind of a feel for the bike. I just want to get a good feel for it. I turned the regen down 1 level because it was 2 felt pretty intense. Hey, no better way than a proper break-in and taking it out into the hills. Because ooh-wee. I'd like my throttle to be a little bit touchier. Has like maybe a slight delay that I'm not used to, but I'll get used to it obviously. But I don't know, I feel like throttles are a very, very important thing on these bikes that have a good throttle tune, because that's kind of what makes the bike. So I'm definitely gonna have to figure out how to make it maybe a little more sensitive. But yeah, no, it rips. I'm stoked on this thing, dude. As far as like the looks of this bike, they nailed it. They absolutely nailed it. Yeah, buddy. Still holding. Still holding. So good. Balance point feels great. I started to race mode and we're dropping power kind of quick. We're at 63% and I've gone 5 miles. I did race twice in race mode, so I was wide open. But I'm so bummed I wasn't able to charge it to 100. So I'm really going out to the hills with like 50% battery. I doubt I'll go through all of it before the sun even goes down. So, but it feels great.
Okay.
Strong. Oh, yeah, I do have the hood in the park.
Not to point your phone or nothing?
Oh, yeah.
Better?
Yeah. All right. Oh. Here we go on the hill. Oh. I might have put too much air in my forks. Oh shoot. No way. Well, I say this is a straight up true test on the Altis. Look how beat up it is. Oh my gosh. On the inside there. Brakes feel pretty good. I gotta pull them pretty tight. Oh! Oh! Dude, I mean, the power delivery is really smooth. I just want my throttle to be exactly like a Sauron, but I guess if it's not a Sauron, you can't get exactly what you want, huh? But like, dude, straight ripping. Oh, oh, she's got power. She has got power. Oh. At a stock standpoint, the suspension doesn't feel bad at all. Like, it's rough out here. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, oh shoot. All right, we're about to enter into the whoop section on the Altis.
I'm ready to
I'm really trusting this bike. I'm scared. All right, here we go. You good?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh! Dude, it's so fast.
Not bad, not bad.
Was I cooking or no?
You're going pretty quick.
It feels weird, dude, because it's just so quiet versus this. Because I could hear the chain. I don't know, this just sounds quiet.
Yeah, let me spin a lap on it.
Spin a lap on it, dude.
Alright.
Just so you see what I'm talking about. Dang, it's crazy how different these bikes feel. Yeah, they feel so different. The bikes feel so different. Whoa. Oh. Oh yeah, this thing rips. This thing hauls too. So different, huh?
Yeah.
It is different in every way you could think.
It's almost not a Sur-Ron category.
That's what I was thinking, yeah. It's like its own thing versus a Sur-Ron chassis, like geometry wise, you know?
It's almost like right in between like that and an Ultra Beast.
It's yeah. Because like for like the Sur-Ron class, you got E-Ride, you got 79 bike, you got Re-Road.
Ventus 1.
Yeah, the Ventus 1.
Best bike ever made.
The Ventus 1, 2. That's all like that category, right? Because the chassis is like identical on those.
Yeah,
This chassis is its own. This thing's beefed up.
beefed up.
We got some beefy frame on this thing. The forks look so sick though.
Let me know.
Look at those forks, dude. Those forks are freaking sick. But suspension from a stock standpoint is actually not bad at all. I mean, it's rough out here. Altis Sigma versus the Sur-Ron. This is a side-to-side comparison. I'm only doing this because there's really no videos out on YouTube about these bikes except the prototype ones. So if you look, that's kind of the height difference there. Like, look how skinny the Sur-Ron is and look how wide this thing is.
It feels taller when you sit on it.
Maybe it's the seat that's doing that, but
Look at this thing.
oh yeah, we are taller. Definitely smaller than an Ultra B, but it's bigger than the Sur-Ron.
Yep.
Entirely different bikes though. Dude, it does look like the Sur-Ron's longer, but the Sur-Ron's swing arm's so much shorter. We're gonna do a little whoop test on this thing. I'm gonna try to kind of hammer down a little bit, kind of see what we're capable of here. Oh, oh my gosh! Yeah! Hang on, I gotta get a better run through there. I think that was rider error for me.
Oh, queen! Yo, that was good.
Oh my gosh! So look at this, guys. My rotor got loose. I knew I felt something weird. So if you guys have an Altis, make sure to put Loctite on these, because it was already mounted, so I didn't think to check them. But I don't think they're Loctited, or I don't know how they loosened up. We tightened it up. I lost like 3 bolts on the way back. So, but I got three rotor bolts in there. See, we've gone 13 miles. Okay. Give or take on the majority of it dirt, 40%. So is that 78% or 75? We started at 75. Damn! He's still holding it. Bro's no joke on the wheelies right now.
I know, bro.
Frick. The amount of times we've been to this place, we ought to be locals at this point. Oh my gosh, look how long that thing is. Yeah. There she is, brother. Two, 4, 6. 6 at 95 cents. Check this out. We got normal headlight and then boom, high beam. Pretty legit, dude. Damn! Oh, having a horn again, dude. All right, let's see. We gotta get the knee up.
Think about going on that grass.
Dude, don't go on the grass, bro.
No.
Okay. Decent. Whoa! I'm gonna just absolutely rip through this right now. Dude, all the shadows are throwing me off like crazy. You could definitely get down on this bike though. Yeah. I'm gonna make another video on this bike. I feel like there's only right to. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Maybe I'll do a midweek upload on this sucker, just because
just because I feel like I need to properly ride it and get a full charge and get everything done. So, yep, peace.